Welcome everyone, this is Bob Jones, and I'm glad to have you here for the WinAir 2024 video compilation. 2025 is here, and it holds anticipation of projects completed, unknown events, and exciting possibilities. 2024 has been a busy year and a fun year, creating videos and watching the community grow. We covered the Gordie Howe Bridge, Highway 3 widening, the Blue Water Bridge, NextStar Battery Gigafactory, and scores of other interesting bits of local history. Relax and enjoy this short compilation from the past year, and I'll catch up with you near the end of the video. As I reflect on the past year, I'm filled with gratitude for our community. Without your support, engagement, and feedback, we wouldn't be where we are today. Every like, comment, and share has contributed to our growth. The constructive criticism has helped me improve, while the words of encouragement kept me going. Subscribers aren't just numbers. You're real people who have chosen to join me on this adventure. Your enthusiasm for our content fuels creativity and motivates to keep pushing boundaries. Looking ahead to 2025, I'm excited about the future. It's a stepping stone to even greater things. Thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all WinAir videos. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.